We're on four. Yes, we are on
Okay.
four.
Right.
One of this relates as well. Is our brand message, right? So I know we're talking about having a solid story, but as a speaker, it's whether even if you're a brand, what is important, your personal brand, is they have a strong brand message. So what is that? People always ask me that. It's basically what is the core essence of what you stand for, the problem you solve, and the results you get. So if I was to say, let's say I invited you to speak, and like, hey, come on, I've got a speaking gig for you. And you walked in and was like, listen, I'm really sorry. There's 5,000 people out there, but Beyonce's shown up and she's going to sing some songs. So I can't give you the 45 minutes. We can talk about the fee later, but I can give you 30 seconds to go out there and make an impact on those 5,000 people. That's the time you've got. That is, in essence, your core brand message. Can you go out there and get people very quickly to get what you do, the problem you solve, and the results you get? That is so important. So that's why it's step number 4. Once you got your story, communicating your brand message, your core message, is an essential part of getting going, because that's also what will attract the right client and turn the wrong ones off. And again, we work very, very deeply on this because it's so impactful and it's so powerful, and actually can get rid of the time wasters, and it can attract your ideal audience on a regular basis. And this is the thing that works through your whole marketing. So it isn't just about speaking, right? Yes, it's about speaking, but it's about what's the copy on your website, what's on your brochures, what books do you write, what brochures do you produce. It all goes down to your core message. We've had people that just done this section in our training gone, it's changed their whole marketing, for good, of course, because basically it really distills down to a very short message, what exactly you do, what problem you solve, and how you solve it in a way that your customer understands it, right? You can talk about it from your point of view, but it doesn't mean if I'm your client, I'm getting it. But if your client's getting it quickly, expanding out is easy. So that's why that's step number 4.